Hello art friends, it's me, Mrs. Mertz. We're gonna be drawing Ghost Gal from Monster Prom. Get those pencils ready. All right, so I'm just gonna do a little bit of light layout because this is kind of a complex drawing. There's a lot going on here. Okay, so I'm just gonna draw just very lightly, laying out where things are going. There we go. Okay, so now I'm ready to get started. So I'm going to start with the figure on this side, and it's going to come down and then come back up and then come back up like that. And we've got a line coming here, big C here, another C here. This is her big fluff of hair. Okay, and then we're gonna draw some more hair back here. And we got a line coming down here for the neck and across. And we've got an arm coming up because she's partying at the prom, like so. And then we've got little boutonniere, which is like a flower. So we're gonna start with a circle for the rose, draw another circle out here. And then we'll draw some little half circles, and there is her boutonniere. Then we've got a line coming up for her fist. And remember, maniacs, we are not afraid of hands. Okay, here comes the hand. So it's gonna come out, up, back down. This is the thumb. Then we're gonna draw oval. We're gonna draw a C, another C, and another oval. And there is her hand. All right. So now comes back with her arm. That's where her elbow is. And it's gonna come down into her waist. Okay, now we know where her hair goes behind. So now we're gonna draw the hair down. And we've got this big, fluffy hair coming around. And then we've got some more hairlines coming around. We have an ear here, letter C earring. There we go. And now for the face. So to start with, we're gonna draw a little smiley top line. There's where her teeth go. And there she's like, yeah. And then there's her tongue. Easy schmeezy. Then we're gonna draw a little V for her nose. And we're gonna draw some slanty eyes because she's smiling, and we'll put a few little eyelashes. And there's her eyebrow. Now we're gonna do the same thing over here. Eyelashes, some little suggestion lines, and her eyebrow. There we go. Oh, this is looking good. Okay, now we're gonna draw, you know what? I think I'm gonna come back in here. I'm just gonna do a little bit of there. I like that better. Just put a little suggestion of eyes in here, leaving a little bit of white for the shine. Yeah, I like that better. Okay, now we're gonna draw the other side of the neck like that. And then, let's see here. How should we do this? We've got this other character she's with. So let's start kind of like maybe a finger width out. Gonna go down, come down, and come back. Then we've got an ear here. There we go. And then we've got some hair right here. And some more hair right here that goes behind her hair. And then it has, I think this is the ghosty person. I don't know this character, but this is what one of the maniacs wanted, so I will deliver. And then it comes back. There we go. And then let's see, we got some more hair here. These are very hairy little people. There we go. And then this person has a great big eye. A great big eye. Little V nose. Little V mouth. And they've got like a little Frankenstein thing going here. And then we have the eyes here, and we're gonna leave a little shine. There we go, doing great. We're gonna put another exaggeration on the top of this line, thicken it, and then put a little on the end. We've got another little, this must be the ghost. Yeah, all right. And then we have the hair. I would love to have big hair like this. Then again, maybe not. I'd probably just put it up. All right, so there is the outline of her hair, and then her shoulders coming in here. All right, well, we're gonna flip back to this gal now that we've got the hair here that is overlapping her. So kind of like under her chin, we're gonna come down and we're gonna draw her chest coming out and then down. And then from here, we've got this line coming up and then down. And then she's got this little thing on her outfit. So like her dress kind of wraps around, kind of. And then it comes across. There we go. Then we have this huge fluffy thing that she is wearing. So we're gonna start with a line coming out, and then it's gonna come down, up, zigzag around like so. Then we're gonna draw some lines coming back, and we'll draw some lines coming up on the zigzag. Then it's gonna come down, and it's gonna zigzag again, only this time a little looser. Come up, go. There we go. Oh, you guys are doing so good. Okay, and then we're gonna have another layer here. Up. And then she's got a leg coming forward, coming back, and then she's got another leg coming back like so, and there is our first character. All right, so now for this kind of ghosty person, she's like kind of beat up like Frankenstein. Maybe she's Frankenstein's daughter. Gonna draw some lines coming down for her neck. She's got another stitch line there, and then her shoulders come up and back down like that, and then this shoulder comes down and then back up, and then we've got some fingers here from the one gal saying, "Hey girl, you're my bud." There we go. And then we've got this arm coming down. Then we've got this arm right here coming down. Here go the hands. We're not afraid of them. We're going to draw that, and then we're going to come out and up. And we're going to draw another one, and then we're going to draw another one, and boom, there we go. no big deal. All right, then right here, her dress is coming out. Then we've got, let's come back up here. Okay, so the top of her dress, she's got a little line here, and then her dress comes out and down like that. This comes across, then we've got another line coming up and down. And then we've got her waist right here. And this outfit has like kind of some folds in it for the design of it. And then we've got a line coming down. We've got a little chest exaggeration, some collarbone exaggerations. I think she needs a sandwich. Then got another line here. Okay, so there is her top, and then her bottom, the dress comes down. We've got like this little sash thing. It's coming down, and she's got a polka dot dress. And her dress is a little longer. I'll just draw a line there so you can say, all right, that's the end of the dress. And then these have stripes. All right, and oh gosh, let's see if there's anything else I can think of that we need. How about if we draw a disco ball up here? Party at the Ghost Prom. All right, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching.